wondering if I'ma ever blow. Middle ground, tearing at the fabric of my soul. Middle ground, feeling like I'm stuck up in a hole, and these insecurities follow everywhere I go. Middle ground, feeling like I'm barely getting by.
Alright, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just gonna go ahead and clean the whole shop up real fast. We have a set of rims coming in, so before we go ahead and do that, we're gonna go ahead and get this whole thing all cleaned up. Alright, so I'm just gonna put y'all on the time lapse real fast. Damn, I hate how the lights are so bright, it always does that shit. But put y'all on the time lapse real fast, just show y'all me cleaning the whole damn shit up pretty much. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. Grab the air compressor real quick. Now a little soap and water. Don't want to spray too much on this thing. powder, it just be staining everything if you let it sit on there too much. Especially if you be leaving your gun somewhere like kind of hot. Like sometimes this gun probably get up to like 80, 90 degrees because we live in Texas. So you leave powder on that thing, it's gonna start to kick up on that. So every now and again, I like to clean this thing up. Now it looks nice and pretty. All right, and I guess we'll clean this gun too, even though we never use it. There's a funny story behind this gun though, honestly. I might as well go ahead and tell it now. We bought this gun, right, because we thought it was like going to be badass. Because look at it, it looks like it's badass, right? And we're like, oh shit, $1,500? That's definitely going to be better than, a Harbor Freight gun. Psych. Bro, they scammed us. This shit ain't worth the fuck. I mean, some people like it, but if you're trying to do anything cool, this gun ain't about to do it. You ain't gonna do no second coats with this gun. You ain't gonna do no two-tones with this gun. You're gonna hot flock everything with this gun. But it looks cool just sitting there, ain't gonna lie. Nah, but to be honest though, if you are gonna buy a gun like this, only use it for testing colors out, because it's easy to put powder in and out. That thing's easy to clean. So that's pretty much what we use it for. Whenever we want to see what a color's gonna look like, customer want to see what a color's gonna look like, throw it in there, spray a piece, bam, now we have a swatch. Damn. Oh yeah, look, one time too, we were hanging it, right, on the little piece that it comes with to hang. Thing just broke right off, fell right on the ground, landed on that, messed that thing all up. It's all good though, because the shit didn't work, so. I mean, if you're gonna make a gun that don't work, you might as well make a hook that don't work. I feel you, I feel you. All right, now that we got the guns clean, that's pretty much the end of it for this video. Go ahead, remember, click the link in the description, buy anything from the website, automatically get entered in for a chance to teach you guys some free money. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much the end of it for this video. Until next time, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Run on over to springpeakcoating.com. Buy anything off our website, automatically get entered in for a chance to win you guys some free money. Sorry we weren't able to get anything powder coated in this video, but next video we got you guys. So click the bell so that way you can keep up with us. Also, remember, if you do want to show some love, the easiest way is to run on over to the website. Until next time, peace.
Killers with racks on me. I done made me some plays and put tax on it. It feel good to come all the way back from it. When you up, they gon' say that you act